to Math Alpha 2 today. Today we want to answer question on sets using Venn diagram. And the question is right here before us. In an examination, 18 candidates pass mathematics, 17 candidates pass physics, 11 candidates pass both subjects, and 1 candidate failed both subjects. Now, the first part of the question says find the number of candidates that pass mathematics only. Second part says the number of candidates that passed physics only. And the last part of the question says the total number of candidates that sat for the examination. Okay, so let's answer the question together now. Let's have the question together. All right, so using the idea of Venn diagram, you are going to make a sketch of a rectangle. So a Venn diagram is in form of a rectangle. So you're going to have a sketch of a rectangle. All right, so this is it. Now, since they mentioned just 2 subjects, physics and mathematics, we're going to draw 2 circles inside the rectangle in such a way that the circles are interwoven. Okay, so they are interwoven. So I have this other second circle here. All right, now I will label the first one here M. I want to label the first one here M. All right, you will label the first one here M to represent mathematics. This other, the blue one M, and then this other one on red, I label it as P to represent number of students that pass physics. Okay, so I'm going to put a symbol that the entire rectangle represents universal set. That's the total number of students that sat for the 2 examinations. Okay, now from the question they say that the students that pass mathematics, they are 18. So we're going to say cardinality of M, where M stands for mathematics. Those are, cardinality means number of students that pass, number of students, that's the meaning. Okay, so cardinality of number of students that pass mathematics, they are 18. Number of students that pass physics, let's look at it. Number of students that pass physics altogether, they are 17. So we're going to come here and write cardinality of physics is what? I use letter P for physics. All right, is 17. Okay, now they said, please, there's a difference between this small letter N, which stands for cardinality. This thing means cardinality. Okay, so cardinality of a set means the number of elements present in that set. So cardinality here in this context means number of students that pass that subject. This is different from this symbol means cardinality, while this other big one means intersection of a set of 2 sets or 2 or more sets. Okay, but we're referring to cardinality. Okay, now number of students that pass both subjects. Number of students that pass both subjects, they say 11 candidates pass both subjects and 1 failed both subjects. Okay, 11 number of students that pass both subjects, we're going to say cardinality of M intersection P, that's those that pass mathematics and pass physics, is equal to 11 according to the question. Now they said that 1 student failed both mathematics and physics. We're going to say cardinality of M prime, that's M complement, intersection P complement is equal to 1. What it means is that M complement means that the candidate did not pass mathematics. Now P complement or P prime means that what? The candidate did not pass physics. All right, so that's what it means. Okay, the candidate did not pass physics, so that's 1. Now what we are going to do now is we are going to so that's it. Now what will happen now is that we will begin to plug in some of these things into the diagram and we'll begin our solution. So these circles are interwoven. So this place where they have something in common, you put 11 because it means those that pass mathematics and also pass physics. Now, if you look very carefully, the first part of the question says we should find the number of students that pass mathematics only. All right, so to achieve that, let me show you what they mean by mathematics only. The blue circle that is the circle on red means the entire student that pass mathematics, meaning that 18 students they gave us as the number of students that pass mathematics. There are some of the students there that also pass physics. So if you want to get those that pass mathematics only, look at the portion I'm going to shade. This portion here, without entering that place where we have 11 there, is what we mean by mathematics only. without entering this part, because if you enter this part, it's going to now have connection with physics. That's the part they're asking us to find. So since the whole of this circle here is 18, the whole of this circle on blue is 18, and 11 students pass both physics and mathematics. To get a number of students that pass only mathematics, you're going to say cardinality of M intersection P prime. N intersection P prime means that the candidate passed mathematics, or the candidate in question passed mathematics, but did not pass physics. So we can write like this, or we call it M only. Now the person passed mathematics only. Either you write like this or you say M only. All right. It's going to be total number of students that pass mathematics. Take away the number of students that pass both. So 18 take away 11, we're going to give us 7. Okay. Now next question says we should find the number of students that pass both number of students that pass physics only. Now physics only here refers to, look at the place I'm shading, refers to this place without entering this circle, the part of this circle that is on blue. Okay, so total number of students that pass physics, they are 17. So we're going to say cardinality of M prime this time around intersection P. M prime means that the candidate did not pass mathematics. Now we did not put the prime on P, meaning that we are referring to students that pass physics. So cardinality of M prime intersection P is equal to total number of students that pass physics. They are 17. So 17 minus 18, which is the number of students that pass both physics and math. So this will give us 6. So we have answered the first two parts of the question. Now, this one, cardinality of M prime intersection P prime means the students that sat, that one student sat for the 2 exams but failed both of them. So since the whole of this circle on red represents physics, the one on blue represents mathematics, you will put that one somewhere inside the rectangle, but it will not be inside any of the circle because the person did not pass math, neither did the person pass physics. So total number of students that sat for the exam. Now see what we're going to do. Total number of students that sat for the examination, we're going to say those that pass only maths, that's how many now? They are 7. So we're going to say cardinality of universal set. Cardinality of universal set is going to be number of students that sat for that pass maths only, which is 7, plus number of students that pass only physics, which is 6, plus number of students that pass both subjects, 11, plus number of students that sat for the 2 exams but did not pass any one, which is 1. Okay, so if you add up this now to give you the total number of students that sat for the examination. So 7 plus 6 is going to give us 13, plus 11 plus 1 is going to give us 12, and then 13 plus 12 is going to give us what? 13 plus 12 is going to give us 25. So what it means is that the entire number of students that sat for the 2 examinations, they are actually, number of students that sat for the examination is actually 25. Is that okay? All right, I want to really appreciate you for staying down to this point, but let me give you something to try. Let me give you something to try. Please ensure you try it and give me feedback on the answer in the comment section. So in an extended family of 98 during 2025 festive period, 48 ate fried rice, 37 ate jollof rice, and 28 ate both fried rice and jollof rice. So the first part of the question says, find the number of people that ate neither fried rice nor jollof rice. Okay. Then the second part of the question says the number of people who ate only one of the food. What it means is that find jollof rice only, number of students or people that ate jollof rice only, and that of the people that ate fried rice only, and then you now add up the answer. I want to really appreciate you. Thank you for staying down to this end, to this part till the end of the video. I want to really appreciate you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your participation. Please do well to like the video, share with others, and then follow and subscribe if you are here to do that. Bye for now.